In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Unbounce countdown timer. We'll use the common Ninja countdown widget to build a polished timer and then embed it into your Unbounce landing page. A well-placed countdown can drive urgency, highlight limited time offers, and boost conversions, so let's make one that looks great and works reliably. Start by heading to Common Ninja and opening the countdown widget. This is where you'll set the foundation for your timer. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead. It helps you save and revisit your design. Once you're inside the widget, choose the general style you want. Think about the goal of your campaign. A bold, high-contrast design is perfect for flash sales, while a minimal style suits webinars or product launches. Next, customize the details. Set the end date and time carefully, and double-check the time zone to ensure the countdown ends exactly when you expect. If your audience is global, aligning the timer with your event's official time zone avoids confusion. Then tune the appearance. Pick brand colors, select a readable font, and adjust sizes for balance. Make sure there's good contrast for accessibility so your timer is easy to read on every device. You can also label time units clearly: days, hours, minutes, seconds, so visitors instantly understand what's ticking down. Use the live preview to confirm everything looks consistent on desktop and mobile. When your timer is ready, find the embed code in Common Ninja, often under Publish, Embed, or Add to Site. Copy the code. It's a small snippet of HTML and JavaScript that renders your countdown wherever you place it. Now, switch over to your Unbounce page in the Builder. From the left panel, drag a custom HTML or code element onto your canvas where you want the timer to appear. Paste the embed code into the element's editor and apply or save. Resize the element box so the timer isn't cramped, and align it with your layout grid for a clean visual flow. Use the mobile view in Unbounce to ensure the timer scales nicely. If it feels too large on small screens, reduce fonts in the widget or widen the element box slightly. Save your landing page and hit Publish. Open the live page in a fresh browser tab and watch the countdown tick. If you don't see it right away, clear cache or refresh. With that, you now have a fully styled live countdown timer on your Unbounce landing page that reinforces urgency and keeps visitors focused on your deadline.